Yeah, man, I'm say King Selassie is the first. Emperor Selassie, Empress Menedai, St. Marcus I, Emmanuel I. I show the item say Sun Life Total Health. Say that all of the same must them natural sea must say. And then we still have the strawberry one for the item, you see? Yeah, no joke. When it forward to health, our only wealth we have is it. Yeah. Bugatti and them thing, they can't put the amount of nutrients, them thing you put in your system. No Louis Vuitton, no Burberry, none of them thing they can't put the energy with them you put in your system, you see it. So 4060 White Plains Road, I there make them thing. As I say when I in a studio I make music, this is where I do. See? If you now make the simple, if you now make the roots, we make natural beverage for the item, see? So as you know, strawberry is an antioxidant and thing. I will add it to the CMOS. So CMOS carrying over 90 minerals and the strawberry having all the antioxidant properties. When them combine together, you know the greatness it do for the eye system, see? Rastafari. And then now me have the plain CMOS as I say now. The item can work with, see? And sweet. See? Yeah. The one here now having a little agave in it, see? Yeah, it having a little agave. So as we say, this is where I do a 4060 White Plains Road. See? Yeah man, one Congo lad. Big up to King Shango. See? Big up to Rich Boss and the whole works and all of the ones on the Sun Life team. Yeah, 4060 White Plains Road. Yeah man, give thanks. As I say, I have to make some okra later. Yeah man, as I say, okra in progress in a minute. See? Yeah man, we have all of the things them for the item. See? 4060 White Plains Road. See? Yeah man, Selassie. Rastafari.